Welcome to Chaterji powered by CloudOnHire. Let me show you how to get your AI chatbot live on your website in just a few minutes. Head over to agent.chatterjee.com and sign up. You'll just have to enter your name, and company email. You'll receive a one time password on your email. Enter it to verify your account. Then set your password and you're in. Once you're inside the dashboard, Chatterjee will now ask you for your company name and company URL. Enter your website URL and hit the submit button. Chatterjee will now scan your website and automatically import all the information about your business, your services, products, and everything your visitors need to know. You'll see a button, Copy Embed Code. Click on it, it copies the code, now paste it in your website. That's it. Refresh your website and Chatterjee is live. Your AI chatbot is now on your website, trained with your business detail, ready to answer your visitors the questions from day one without you having to do anything else.